Imagine seamlessly chatting with an AI assistant as effortlessly as catching up with an old pal over coffee. That's the game-changing update ChatGPT just rolled out, transforming voice interactions into something truly intuitive and immersive. But here's where it gets intriguing. No more clunky switches to a separate interface. Everything now flows right within your ongoing conversation. Ever wished your AI talks felt more like real dialogues? This overhaul makes that dream a reality, and it's sparking buzz among tech enthusiasts. Let's dive in and unpack how this works step by step, so even if you're new to AI chatbots, you'll grasp the magic easily. Previously, activating voice mode on ChatGPT whisked you away to a mysterious orb-shaped icon that symbolized the AI. Think of it as stepping into a mini portal just for audio. The downsides? You couldn't peek at transcripts while chatting, which made it tough to double-check details or reference earlier parts of the talk. Your only controls were basic buttons to mute your mic, wrap up the session, or jump in mid-sentence. And this is the part most people miss. It felt disjointed, like talking into a void without the visual anchors we're used to in text-based chats. Now, the latest update integrates voice mode directly into the familiar conversation interface, letting you flip between typing and speaking without missing a beat. Picture this. You're dictating a recipe request, and ChatGPT responds verbally with a live transcript scrolling alongside, complete with recipe photos or ingredient links popping up in real time. Plus, you can easily scroll up to revisit past exchanges, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Perfect for when you're planning a trip and need to confirm directions from an earlier map suggestion. Activating this feature is a breeze. Just tap the waveform icon nestled on the right side of the text input box in ChatGPT. Once clicked, it glows blue to signal voice mode is live, and you'll hear ChatGPT greet you warmly, setting a friendly tone right from the start. Even better, you gain options to share your own media, snap a photo through the camera, record audio via the mic, or upload files, making interactions richer and more personal. For instance, if you're describing a room for decor ideas, you could upload a photo and let ChatGPT analyze it verbally while displaying visual suggestions. This bold integration aims for natural, flowing conversations, but remember, you still need to press the end button to conclude the chat, keeping things in your control. Excitingly, this redesign is hitting users across platforms as part of the newest ChatGPT update for Android and iOS, plus web and desktop versions. Our editors wholeheartedly recommend giving it a whirl. It's a standout improvement that could redefine how we engage with AI daily. But what if this seamless blend doesn't click for you?
No worries.
OpenAI has your back. Hop into ChatGPT's settings menu. Locate the voice mode section and flip the separate mode toggle on. This instantly reverts to the old orb-style setup, catering to those who prefer the classic approach. It's flexibility like this that makes ChatGPT adaptable, but here's where it gets controversial. Is this push for deeper integration a step toward more addictive, privacy-invasive tech? With voice and media uploads becoming so effortless, some might argue it blurs lines between convenience and data sharing. Food for thought, right? As a quick note for transparency, Ziff Davis, the parent company of PC Mag, has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI in April 2025, claiming copyright infringement in how their AI systems are trained and operated. This adds an intriguing layer to the story. Does OpenAI's rapid innovation come at the expense of fair play in the tech world? If you're craving more insights like this, subscribe to our newsletter for your daily dose of top tech news, straight to your inbox, keeping you ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning in. Your subscription is confirmed. Stay tuned. Meet our expert, James Peckham, reporter. With over a decade in journalism, starting in tech back in 2013, I joined PC Mag in 2025 to cover the gadgets and services that shape our everyday lives. Got a tip that could spice up our articles? Shoot it my way. Check out more from James Peckham. Full bio, https://www.pcmag.com/authors/James-Peckham. So, what's your take? Do you see this voice mode integration as a brilliant evolution or a potential overreach into our privacy? Does the lawsuit against OpenAI change how you view their updates? Share your thoughts in the comments. Agree, disagree, or add your own twist. We'd love to hear from you.